In this video, we'll be talking about Adobe XD versus Figma. So, guys, welcome to Alagawa YouTube channel. So, without any further ado, let me quickly take you into the video. Today, we are talking about Adobe XD versus Figma. I have used these two tools, and in this video, we'll be talking about the two. And please listen attentively because it can be very, very important. There are a lot of videos on YouTube where they are just talking about Adobe XD versus Figma. But if you are not in the business, which I notice as most people are not, they don't use these two tools often. I use them. I use the web version of Figma. I use the desktop version of Adobe XD. And the difference, in fact, the main difference between these two doesn't come with the designer himself or herself. No. It comes with the person or the group of people the designer is collaborating with. That's the main difference. And these people, the collaborators, determine the application you are going to use. And I will explain further. Here is it. If you are a designer that is working or collaborating within a team of other designers, or you are a designer that is working with a client that has some ideas of design, someone that is willing to see what you are doing, like someone that is expecting where the design is going almost every time, at every stage of the design. If you are the type of person that is working with such kind of clients, or you are working within a group of designers that you guys just need to be like seeing what each other is doing every time, just to decide on what where the design is going, then I would say you should go with Figma. Figma has this collaborating aspect that is so efficient. But in other case, if you are working, you are a solo designer, and it has its own side effects which I'm coming to. But if you are the type that is you are a solo designer, you are just you are the one doing the work and you don't really show it to your client often. You just design, then show it once, twice to the person you are working with or the client, then I'll say you should go with Adobe XD. These two applications have almost the same uses, almost the same tools. So go with Adobe XD if you don't have much people you are collaborating with on the project, or you don't have anyone that you need to be cross-checking the step of the design every time. Go with XD. The reason is this. Figma is very efficient. It requires internet. Figma requires internet. And I think the web version is more efficient than the desktop version. The web app is more smart than the desktop app. But XD is very smart on your computer, though you can't use it on the web. And so XD, you don't need to have internet connection because you can design on XD. But Figma, you need to be connected to the internet. That's one. Although the desktop version too, you can simply work on it while it's not connected to the internet. But from experience, it's not as good as working on XD without internet. That's one reason why you should go with XD if you are a solo designer. If you are working within a group as well, you can use the XD. If you look at the top here, you see share. You can share your designs with your colleagues, with other designers. But the sharing option here, the collaborating part of XD is not as good as that of Figma. Do you understand that? So that's just how it is. Figma has very cool collaborating features. XD has as well, but it's not as efficient as Figma. XD works without internet efficiently. Figma works without internet, but not as efficient as Figma. Those two differences are the main difference that you need to know. Every other thing are just so they are very close at every other aspect. Money, Figma, you can get Figma for free if you are not collaborating. XD, you can get it for free as well. Just install it. So that's just it, guys. I believe those two criteria should give you an edge on when you want to decide on the tool to use for your design project. And with that, I will say you have come to the end of this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.